Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work every day. In this video, I'll show you 5 incredible AI tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and unlock your creativity. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT, an AI-powered conversational assistant by OpenAI. You can use it to write emails effortlessly, generate fresh ideas for your projects, and get answers to your questions instantly. It's like having a personal assistant working 24/7 to make your life easier. Next, we have Pictory, a tool perfect for content creators. Pictory turns text into professional-looking videos in minutes. Simply upload a script or blog, and it will create a stunning video with visuals and animations. If you're a marketer or a YouTuber, this tool can save you hours. Third on our list is MidJourney, an AI art generator that creates amazing visuals. Just type a description, and it produces unique, high-quality artwork. It's a must-have for designers, content creators, or anyone looking to get creative. Number 4 is Grammarly, an AI-powered writing assistant. It helps you write clear, mistake-free content for emails, reports, or social media posts. The premium version even adjusts your tone to fit your audience perfectly. Finally, we have Tome, a storytelling AI tool that creates beautiful presentations. Input your ideas, and it generates slides with text, visuals, and formatting. This is perfect for business pitches or school projects. These 5 AI tools are making life easier and more productive. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time.